Friends, hello everyone. Glad to welcome you on our channel. And today in this video clip, I will show you how you can check the screen time on any Android smartphone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write comments, and also be sure to put your likes. And let us get started with you. First of all, you will need to open the settings on your Android. To do this, you will need to swipe down from the top, on the right side of your screen. Click on the gear. This will take you to your phone settings. Here, swipe down until you find this setting. Click on it. And as you can see, you go straight to the screen time settings, to the screen time checker. If in your case on your smartphone you didn't go straight to some graph, then don't get upset. You just need to either in the list or here at the top of the screen on the right side of the screen click on the graph. So you can also see how much time you've spent on certain social networks and how much time you've spent on your phone. It's probably not going to look like mine. Your screen time check, because mine, as you can see, is a circle like this. You might just see it as a diagram, a chart with the time underneath it. But the essence is the same. This is the simple way, friends. You can quickly and easily check the screen time on absolutely any Android smartphone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put likes, and see you soon.